welcome back to my channel, Hazel's Diary. Guys, thank you so much for all your support. And in this video, guys, we will do unboxing of Philips air fryer. So, let's start. First, this guys, before I put inside the house, I already disinfect. So, now let's unbox it. Okay, so let's disinfect again. Okay guys, you see, this is Philips air fryer essential XL size rapid air technology, and this one is up to 90% less fat. So let's see. So there is the manual. Here there is the manual. Ta-na-nan! Ta-na-nan-nan-nan-nan! Yes, it's coming out. Gosh, it's a bit heavy. Okay, let's put the box on the floor. Then let's lift this one. Yes. Here. Unboxing. Here is coming out. Yes. Wow, very nice. Look guys, it's super nice. The size is big enough. Actually, we are a small family, but you know, when there is a special occasions, then we have some visitors. That's why we decided to buy bigger than usual. So let's remove the tape. Other side as well. Ah, yes. Wow, you see guys, it's big enough that you can put a lot, like a full chicken is easily can fit. And also the french fries, you can put up to 2 kilos of french fries is easily can fit here. And this is very easy guys to clean, because you just push this one forward, then there is the button here, you press, and you see you can lift it, so you can easily clean the pan. Let's remove the cartons. Then let's insert it. So let's try guys to plug if it is working, but you know the socket, you see that there is this 3 sections. So now we need the adapter. And this guys, you know, this is a full digital air fryer, and it's a heavy duty. You see, it's already, this is the power, and you can put the temperature that you would like to do, the products that you want to fry. You see, there is the fish, there is some meat, anything that you would like to do, you can do. But still, I cannot explain you better because I must read first the manual, and there will be a part 2 of the video, which is the testing, because I would like to make a air fried sweet potato. Okay guys, hope you like this video, and please don't forget to give a like. And if you have any question guys about the product, just comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe guys to support my channel, and for future videos, please click the notification bell button. And guys, I'm very excited to make to make some french fries, roasted chicken, and anything. And I will make another video, guys, for the first time of my test of this air fryer. Hope to see you guys on that video and on the upcoming videos. Bye!